people asking me about everyday problems, I always answer that my ally is AGAN. Now, what is AGAN? It is philosophy, innovation, composition, technology, natural ingredients, care, well-being, the advanced knowledge, the support in everyday needs, the efficiency, the defense, the story, the glorious moments, the experience, the big steps and the smaller ones, the success, the sharing, the quality in everything, the moments of peace. We are working hard. We combine knowledge and science for the right to dream a better future, to achieve everyday goals. To achieve moments of perfection. Because what is AGAN? Nothing in excess.